Man, I'm wearing different pants today. I'm squashing my balls. Oh, this is uncomfortable. I feel like I'm sitting on a nut. I think I am actually. Alright, quick adjustment. Oh, alright. Adjust the balls. There we go. I think we're okay. I don't think I'm sacrificing a testicle for this ride. Oh, you're gonna be a dick. Oh, don't be a dick. See you next Tuesday. Motherfucker. Oh, don't be a cunt. Just get in there. There you go. Oh, God. Come on. Get in a fucking lane, dude. Choose one. There you go. How come you never see like Uber Eats delivery drivers or riders on a bike like this? They're always got potting around on little scooters or like a CB125 or something like that. They would have so much more fun, enjoy their life so much more if they had an S1000RR or a Panigale. Like, come on guys, get some enjoyment in your life. You can wait for me, bro. You can wait for me as well. You can all wait for me. You know what is required right now? Pit lane limiter. Oh, I need to be in first gear. God damn it. Get a fucking wriggle on, mate. Come on, I've got pit lane mode to activate. Oh my god, look at that woman's hair. You probably can't see it from here. She's like a poodle in human form. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, you can't see, there you go. My crikey. Right, pit lane mode. Yeah, that's fun. Pit lane limiter. Oh, that thing's cool. You know what else is cool about this bike that I forgot to mention before? I think it's got a fuel gauge on it. Not just a light that pops up when you're low on fuel, but all the technology on these bikes, and a lot of them still don't have a fuel gauge. Like, we've got lean angle, traction control, sensors, sensing to the moon and all that kind of stuff, but nah, fuel gauge now. We won't put that on a bike. Don't worry about that. You see that cemetery? Very, very popular cemetery, that one. People are dying to get in there. Do I need anything from Aldi? There's an Aldi up here. Am I in the mood for some needless impulse shopping? Shit I've never seen before, never wanted, but then you go in Aldi and you're like, fuck, I need that. I need a remote control for a hairdryer. I need an easily removable veggie patch garden stand, even though I live in an apartment with no garden. Yep, we'll get that. Giant advent calendars, but other shit. Fuck, why have I don't know, I've come too far. I've done something stupid. Didn't need to come this far. Full start mode. Can hold it in position for me. Down the hill. Oh, I'll just take it easy. Fitness Fit. That's an inventive name for a gym. Hey, welcome to Fitness Fit. It's like having a supermarket called fucking Shopping Shop. Come to Shopping Shop. I wonder if anyone's done it. It's a good name actually.